Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Revolut to another card. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. At the bottom menu, tap Payments. Then tap the plus icon at the top right corner. From here, choose Card Recipient. Next, select whether the card belongs to you or someone else. Enter the required details, card number, first name, last name, and email. Then tap the arrow icon to continue. Once added, go back to your recipient list and select the card you just saved. Now, tap Send, enter the amount you'd like to transfer, and choose the account you want to send it from. You can also add a reference note if needed. Finally, tap Continue, and your money will be transferred from Revolut to the selected card. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Revolut to another card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.